Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this large and very heavy piece that we're going to redo, so follow along. Overall, this piece is in really good condition. We've got a little bit of chips and bangs and stuff on it, but overall, nice and heavy and good quality. So what we're going to do is remove all the drawers, we'll sand the whole piece down, we'll clean it up, we'll spray it, and then, well, we'll start scuffing it up again, give it that vintage look, and it'll start coming together as a new piece. So, let's get to work. Alright, it took a lot longer to get these drawers out than I thought with these little plastic pieces, and there not being that much space. You couldn't get your hand in here, so I had to build a little thing that would come in and push that down so I could slide the drawers out. But that's all done now. We can move on to sanding. Everybody's favorite part, right? Not mine. And so you kind of see it's got a sheen to it. We want to knock that off so the paint can stick really well. We're going to use a Behr Prime and Paint, so it'll adhere really nice, but we want to give it something nice to adhere to. So I got my DeWalt sander there. We're going to go over it and just scuff sand everything we can. We'll take it off, the sandpaper off, do all the curved edges. We'll wipe this piece down, and then we can start painting it. Alright, we've sanded it out, vacuumed it, wiped it down, and we've kind of prepped it because today we're going to use this Tilswall HVLP floor-based spray gun. So they sent me this. We're going to give it a try. Usually, as you know, I brush everything, but today we're going to try this out and see how it works. A little bit about it, 120 volts, 60 hertz. This is their nice one. This is their big powerful one. So still in box, haven't used it yet. So we're gonna try it out today and tell you what you think about it. In the description, I'll put all the key things in it. Oh, that's nice how they did that. So we'll get it all set up here. We're gonna use white paint. We're gonna spray it all. Now for us, for the final project, it's gonna get scuffed, so it's gonna look really nice, worn in farm style look. So we've just kind of got it set up so I don't overspray a lot of stuff. But, well, let's pull this all apart and get a look at it. And from there, well, we'll give it a good spray and see how it works. Alright, I've decided to paint the inside of these black because they're gonna match the handles that we have. So we'll do the backs of the drawers, the shelves, and then the inner compartments there, and go from there. Painting it white with the spray gun, first time use, wasn't bad. I still am a brush fan, so I'll stick with that, but it would be a nice setup for maybe painting walls and exterior and interior walls. Be really nice. Easy cleanup, wasn't bad at all, but I'll stick with the brush. And I like that style and how it looks with the complete project, but it was a nice spray gun. So let's get started. Gonna use my blackout Behr Prime and Paint. Got a nice big brush here, and we'll go to town. Alright, so we've painted the inside of the boxes, and now what we're going to do is scuff it all up. So everything's going to get a nice scuff line on it. We're going to use our old 80 grit sandpaper. Yeah, 80 grit sandpaper. We'll do it all of it. We're going to wipe it out, vacuum it, get it all cleaned up, and then we can start finalizing this piece. So let's get started. Here it is completed. It's antique white. We scuffed it up, and well, the end result's quite amazing. Gave it a nice antique feel and look to it. If you like this and many other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects.